Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today we're going to be doing something a little different, not tree related, but equipment, and boots are equipment. Good set of boots is totally awesome. So I have Cabela's Snow Runner boots that I use, and they have a BOA lace system, which doesn't tie, but it ratchets, and I think it's really slick, but not when it breaks. So in doing some research, I found out that BOA's components are actually warranted for the lifetime of their product. So I took some pictures and went through their website, and they sent me free replacements, and here it is. And we're gonna put them in today. So let's see how we're gonna do this. So let's follow along. So when we open up the kit, we see we have our new knob, a new internal component, new cable, a tool, instructions. And we're also going to need a set of wire cutters, because I think this is going to be a little bit longer. And looking in the instructions, that's one of the things we got to do is kind of cut it back to a certain length. So right here it just says tools needed, so perfect. Alright, so step one, use the tool to put in the hole. Unscrew the knob. Two, pop out the old internal component. Step three, relace. Alright, so the boots are laced now, and they give you a ruler here across the bottom of the page, and they say cut to 16 to 20, so we'll maybe make it about 19 or so. And we'll use the cutters. Cut the way. No.
Why?
Because I'm making a video, so please don't get in there. Lace number 2. Now this was the trickiest part. So we see the red dot. We want to enter the wire in through the red dot. Pull enough through. Loop it around, put it back through the hole. Then loop it again. Push it all the way in, pull the slack out.
You're supposed to go inside.
Pull it tight. Now it looks like that. Pull the rest out. And there we have it. Same thing again with the other side. We enter the side of the red dot. Pull enough through. Loop it back down. Back through.
Inside, Eva.
Around in the middle to the stop. I pull it tight. Looks like that. Pull the rest through. And there we've kind of set up the ratcheting hold downs. We set this back up. We pull all the slack out. Push it in. All the slack's out. Grab your new cover. Use the tool, put it on. A good old German good and tight. I can push it down and ratchet up. Pull it out, loosen it. Done. Well, I know it's not totally tree related, not something we usually do, but a good how-to video of keeping your equipment, in this case your boots, in functioning order. I guess when this first broke, I took a rope and I tied it around, and that's what held me over for a couple trips. But then I found out that BOA honors their product for the lifetime, and they sent me new replacements free of charge, and I got them I think a week later. So awesome. I'm real excited about that. I wasn't looking forward to buying new boots, and yeah, well, hope you like it, and thanks for watching.